Hello. 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 Hi. Who joined now? Hi Deepak, 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 hi Deepak. Deepak. Ay, mamaya. Wala. Hi Deepak, hi Deepak, hi Deepak, hi Deepak, hi Deepak, hi Deepak, hi Deepak. Seconds later. ఇప్పుడు నీ వాయిస్ వాడిపోయి నీది నువ్వు వినొచ్చు. Escape లైవ్ వ్యూ అంట. లైవ్ వ్యూ.
Hi friends. Yeah, um, warm welcome you all for the session. I don't want to say session here. I'm going to discuss something about Lightning components, how to start and how to configure, and so on, so on. And first of all, this is Lakshmi Deepak, where I'm just working in a Salesforce developer. So let me introduce. Okay, as all you know, we are in the Facebook. Yeah, so let it be. Today, I'm just going to take a first chance. Like, let me consider. I'm just discuss the things like install a custom Lightning component and use your mobile device to preview your Salesforce app. That means I mean to say here first agenda, I will use how to customize, how to configure, Vogara, and use a mobile device to preview Salesforce in your Salesforce One app. So let it be. Before going there, we will start by saying that practically. So what I mean to say here, if you see, I'm just doing a login to my Salesforce app. Yeah, no. And before that, let me discuss something about uh, the thing. The custom Lightning components in the Lightning app builder. As we know that there is an option called Lightning app builder. If you see here, you have an option called Lightning app builder. See, Lightning app builder. So creating a custom Lightning app component requires programming skills. I mean to say here, for creating a component that we require programming skills, or else you can also install an existing Lightning component from an app exchange, the community for Salesforce. And if you want to learn the community, okay, if point and click admins, you can do it this unit. We are providing a custom component and this is already configured and so on so on. And if the custom components in your organization that are configured for use in the Lightning app builder appear in the Lightning components pane. So if you want here you can see here Lightning app builder. So your custom Lightning app components don't automatically work in the Lightning app builder. That means if you create any custom component, it will never work directly automatically in the Lightning app builder. For that we need to do some configurations. The configuration in the sense, and first of all the configuration is nothing but my domain. You just want to create from quick search, you have to enable your custom domain and you have to deploy the users. Once you deploy it, then you have a chance. And if you see here, I already created my domain. It is ild, and if you see ild minus dev minus ed, this is my custom domain where I already created. So you know how to enable, I showed you. And once the domain is enabled, we can't roll out. So be careful while creating your domain and just create login and enable to your component. And let me show you the how you can install Lightning app components in an organization. So what I'm doing here, uh, app exchange. Let me go to the Lightning app builder. If I click new, it will take to me to the Lightning app page. There I can do drag and drop. So what I'm doing, it is a three-step process. First, it will give a welcome pop-up window and the number of the slides. That means 2 columns, 3 columns, screen sharing. So this is a welcome Lightning app for introduction. And 1 column, 2 column, 3 column. I'm just 3 columns. Click next. The page name even you can change later. So what I'm doing here, my first app. If you see, if you do the custom components manually, you'll get only the things called filter list, recent items, and report charts, rich text, and visual force. These are the basic components where these are the standard components where you'll get. But if you need any extra or you can planning to install anything without developing anything, so you can go custom, get from more on App Exchange. There you can find a lot of predefined shaded components so that you can install to your organization and you can reuse. The component is nothing but we can reuse, right? So what I'm doing, I'm just taking a one sample. I'm just showing how to install a component. So what I'm taking here is, I will take as a finder. Get it now. Get it now. And log into App Exchange. I already have an account. That's cool. I'm doing login. Here you can see my domain is redirecting, so it means I'm just logging to App Exchange. So once it's done, yeah, almost it is done. So I will get an option called again. Get it now. Get it now. And here you have a option called install in production. Maybe it is showing some error, so it could not be installed. So what I'm taking here, I'm again going to apps. And here you have a docs. Okay, I'm installing DocSign. Even if you want, you can have a watch demo option. So let it be for time's sake, I'm just installing in my organization. Installed in a production. So what I'm doing, I just need to accept terms and conditions in bottom. I have read, yes, I have read, confirm and install. Now it will install install in my organization in an install package. So now I need to select my user. The user is Vasavi here. On install for all users. Okay. Install as docs and SSI grant access to the third-party websites. It is installing. Once you will get confirmation here. It is done. Let me go to back. If you see, it's still installing. Okay, it takes time. Okay, it's taking time. Let it be. Okay, done. So what I will switch on my simulator now. Salesforce One simulator. So here, if you see, it's getting long time. Meanwhile, what we'll see? Meanwhile, what we'll see, we'll create a new app. You know, right? We have to select app builder here. If you see Lightning app builder, so just select Lightning app builder and just click new. And there is the option next. Click on next. I'm just selecting 3 regions. Yes. And I'm just giving my page, my first page. Yes. So if you see here, I have 5 standard items and 4 customs and everything, right? See what I will do. I'm just adding calculator in my first column and stopwatch and visual force. So now I'm saying the invisible, right? So what I will do here, I will go the pages, visual force pages. I need to enable the page for a Salesforce One app. I have some pages, but I didn't tell it. Maybe I didn't make a checkbox true. Let me check the thing. If you see, okay, it's loading. Fine. Label. account, search, contacts, account. Okay, what happening? Okay, okay, let it be. I have no page for this. Okay, as of now, I'm just adding the recent items. If you see recent items, and I'm adding rich text. Uh, Rich text. Yes, this is like my page header now. Welcome, Mr. Deepak. And I can bold it. See, calculator. Okay, done, right? So what I'm doing, I'm just saving this one. And not activate. We need to activate after save. And you can change your label name, or you can change the tab icon what it looks. I'm just selecting activate, and you can change this one. Let me check again. I will show you. And you can drop till anywhere, but I'm keeping it as an under feed. Save activation settings changed. Yes, if I see here, nothing to display, right? So what I'm doing here, my first page. So if I click here, now you have option called start watch, stop, reset. No, maybe it's not loaded fully. Takes time. The recent items and everything. And not only this, even you can change, like if you see, just click. Here you have action buttons. See, select an action. So here you can access. You can create the directory card for a log a call, new account, new case, new group, everything. Now I'm saving. Okay. See what I'm doing. I'm just reloading the page. Feed. Okay. Now we have my first. Here you can see calculator. Yes, how simple it is. And the stopwatch. And even you have option called log a call, create new account, and create group. If I select group account, it will redirect me to the account page so that I can create my new account. And we can do whatever we want, right? So there is some other things like, so now I will show you how to create a custom component in a Visual Force. So I'm sorry, in a Lightning app. For that, you need to open your developer console. Yeah. And before we start add custom component domain to your arc, so it just depends upon Lightning component can be done with the which one, the developer console. So what I will do here, I'm closing all this. So file, new, Apex component, Lightning component. So the tag, you have to provide your tag name, hello world, and anything as well as different duplicate error. Okay, maybe there is some other thing. Okay, let it be. I will try with a new name, Lightning component, something Deepak one. I'm just saving. Okay, it is saved. Now inside the Aura components, what we need to do? I'll just type H1 welcome or I'm just saving. Okay, now I'll create Lightning app application. So the name is same. I'll create with the same name. Hey, what happening here? New Lightning application. Deepak app submit. So inside this, what I will do? This is an app where I can access my welcome to the Lightning app, and I can call the component like what extension by using C component hello. Sorry, it is Deepak one, right? Deepak one. I can even call my components. Okay, and I can say yeah. So if you see, if I want to see a preview, I can click on preview. You got it right. Welcome to Lightning app and welcome to form. So creating a program doesn't make anything. To create a program, if you create Aura components, it doesn't mean that it includes in an app. So for that, what we need to do is we have to implement force.com. That means the force API. App hostable. I hope all we know about this hostable, where we need to implement this one. Now what I will do, I will check my updated preview. Mm, yes, welcome to the Lightning app and done. It's done. Okay. What now? Force.com hostable implemented, but I need this is not. It means it never. Okay, you created an app. Now what I will do? So, but here I'm not getting anything. But here I didn't get a tab, right? So what I need to enable a tab for this. I need to enable a tab. So where we can create a tab from setup, if you see, from here I can go tabs. quick navigation menu, tabs, create a tab. So if you see, there is a component tabs. Here I can see new. Wait a second, just loading, maybe it takes a time. Here I can select which one I need. C.Deepak is my tab. So MVC component, stopwatch, anything. So what I can select here, my Deepak is my tab. Tab label is welcome message. Okay, tab style. As we know, we can select randomly anything. I like my computer always. So and then I click next. Okay, save, and then I refresh my page. Now you can see here docs and page, anything. So this is how the label name is mobile submit. Okay, before that I need to do something like here. I can do. I need to enable Salesforce One navigation. I just added here the component. So here I can see welcome message. I need to enable for this one. Enabled. Okay. Save. So if I open my thing, okay, before that, there is some attachment navigation. Salesforce One navigation. Mm, welcome message up. Yes. What we will do, guys, now? Again, I will take the same. So actually, we have my first page in starting. Now I created a welcome message by using a custom components through developer console. It will display here now. If I see here, welcome message. Welcome all from Deepak. You understand, guys, now? So I hope you understand how to add your custom component and how can you use your recode, the custom code. Yes, I hope all you guys enjoyed love. And if anything required, just leave a message in a Facebook or a YouTube, anything. I will get back to you in the next weekend so that we can discuss more. On next agenda is that how we can give a styling tabs and the CSS and SRG and something like some more advantages. Okay, As of now, what we discussed so far, we discussed in today's agenda is that how you can configure the Lightning app and how to uh, create, how to install the custom components from the app exchange, and how to create the custom components, and how to preview the custom component, and how to enable to Salesforce, how to enable tab in Lightning, and how to enable it to Salesforce One app. Yes. So as of today, we discuss all these concepts. So I hope this is a very short span of time, but I really understand that the persons who are looking, they have a theory in more than in Google and somewhere else. The only thing I'm expecting here to share the screen, share my knowledge in a real time, in not in a real time, in a practical way, so that it can be understandable very easily instead of going with a theory, long theory and a lot of videos and anything. So if you go like this, you can get to know the what type of actions you can perform, so that you just keep your own stuff and you can build your own app so that it can be rebuild an application. If you get more advanced features when there is existing one, you just share with us so that we can work for it. We just cross the boundaries what we have. I understand. I hope you guys understand my mind voice. Yeah, thanks for watching and thanks for all your patience. Have a great day, and I'm sincerely thankful to the people who is from SFDC Communications. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great time.